I'll copy notice here, Mike, runway 28, clear to land.
Mike, clear to land. Allegheny Tower, 89, Mike, taking it around, like to exclaim an emergency here. I've got loss of tail rotor, so the next ones I'm going to be coming on here at about 80 knots.
Roger. Do you want the equipment out?
Affirmative.
Get them out. Roger, runway 28, clear to land, and how many people are on board?
Got 3 souls.
Roger.
And Tower, just be advised, I'm just trying anything here to try to figure this thing out, the best way to do this. I got no control once I get, that's why I'm pulling the power, and once she's flying, she's slipstream's okay. It looks a little better here, I'm going to get her down this time, I might put it on, take it around though. Go. Everybody go.
Looks like there were 3 people on board and they all seem to be alive. One of the pilots ran from the helicopter as in one of our vehicles. The other one looks awake and conscious and one looks unconscious, but they appear to all be alive anyway.